fasten that seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten and to release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits on board, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything behind. In the event of a water evacuation, there is a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Put that vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest to manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest also has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on board, including the aircraft lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any restroom smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory.